Hello everyone, I would like to share with you my joy, my triumph, my delight, because I have already finished my course and I really can't believe it because it was very hard for me. Looking back, I remember that day when I decided to take part in this course and I told Vadim that this course is perfect for me. But after first month, I tried not to break down and not to give up, because we had to manage all the tasks in time and we had limited time, and I think it's right. Well, and I also was surprised that I so responsible and organized person, and I'm very grateful to our teacher, to our master. Vadim always supported us. He tried to be attentive and patient to everyone. And I think it's important to take part in this course, because if you want to speak fluently, if you want to make friends, if you want to understand speakers, if you want to teach better, you need to take part. And I also can add this that this course also just helps to get in a habit of studying English every day. You start watching movies, short videos on YouTube. You read articles, and you can understand. You can speak fluently. It's the main thing. And if you are still in doubt to participate or not, don't hesitate and agree. Because I also want to give you one advice. If you want to reach the finish line in time, please do the tasks every day, because it's very important. You can save your time, you can save your nerves, you can save your money. It's very important part. Well, I just wish you to overcome with your laziness, and I wish you good luck. Thank you very much.